In this video, you will learn how to save your Land Use Planner project. After logging in, you're brought to your workspace, and from here, navigate to the project page. Then click on the URL for your specific project. This will bring you to the area page of the Land Use Planner, where you can begin to add information about your area, and also where you can modify any information that you've previously entered. Periodically, and before you close the Land Use Planner window, you should save your project, which you can do by clicking Save on the top right of your screen. If you close and reopen this page, all of the information that you've previously entered into the Land Use Planner will appear. If you plan to return to this project with the offline version of the Land Use Planner, or if you wish to share your project with external partners, you also have the option to save your project by clicking on the Export button. This will download a .loop file that you can then share or upload to the desktop version. In all other situations, you should use the normal Save button to make sure that the latest changes to your project are always available from your online workspace.